Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Emma and today I'm going to show my full logo design process. How I start from the brief to the research to the sketch and digitalization. Have a nice watching. My logos usually begin with the brief. My logo design process starts by understanding the client brief. The name of the company is Pounder Sound. The company industry is a music recording studio. My client wants a modern logo. They want an icon of a panda, and the colors of the logo are left for the designer.
Stage 2, we go into research and mood boarding. Here we try to understand the industry and brainstorm ideas from our research. I mood board and drop relevant content just like image, icons, shapes, brand colors, competitors' logos, and how I'll make mine stand out. Stage 3, we go into sketching. Here I'm going to make preliminary sketch of ideas from my brainstorming.
Test your creativity out on paper. It can also help as a brainstorming process. Even if you think you have the final concept, sketching out other concepts and ideas might be surprising with what you will arrive with.
I'm going to be testing my creativity on paper. You don't have to be so good at drawing, let's at least be able to make out basic sketches of ideas that you have. The sketching process is important because here you generate concepts.
After sketching, I clean up my logos. I'm going to go with the second concept. Next step, we go into digitalization. I'm going to launch my Adobe Illustrator where I'm going to be digitalizing the logo from my sketch. Import your sketch onto Illustrator. Click on the layer panel and create a new layer. Left click on the icon and lock the other layers. Without your sketch is locked in and it won't be able to be edited. With the rectangular tool, draw a rectangle over the headset. Clicking direct selection tool and Alt, drag to create a copy of the rectangle. Reduce it to fit into the center of the larger rectangle. Select both rectangle and align to the middle. With the Pathfinder tool, subtract second rectangle. Select the shape with the direct selection tool. Drag in the nose to create an arc shape. Select the rectangular tool again. Create a rectangle. Then with the direct selection tool, drag in to curve the edges. Select the rectangle again. to create the other part of the headset. With the direct selection tool, select the edges of the headset and drag in to make a semicircular arc. Select both shape, Alt and drag to create a copy. Left click on the dialog box, select transform and select reflect. Adjust it to fit into the position it should be. Now we are going to create the panda shape. Select the ellipse tool. Come close to the center of the panda face. Click and drag and press the Alt to draw the circle. Remove the fill and apply a stroke. With the rectangular tool, draw a rectangle. Fill it in with the black color and direct selection to click on the upper nodes and drag in to create a curved semicircular shape. This will be used for the ear. In the selection tool, click on Alt and drag to duplicate the copy. Right click, select transform and reflect. Press OK at the dialog box. Shift the shape till it fits over the left and the right ears comfortably. To create the eye, we are going to select the ellipse tool and draw over the shape around the eye. Once you've covered the eye, click on Alt and drag to create a copy. Adjust the size a little and change the fill color to white. Drag it to the center of the eye. Select both ellipse shape of the eye and align it to the center. On the toolbar, select Object and group both ellipses of the eyes. Now, click on Alt with the selection tool and drag to create a copy. Right click, go to Transform and Reflect. Press OK at the dialog box and adjust the eye to align with our sketch. Now to create the nose, with the pen tool, click over at the nodes and drag. Adjust to fit in the shape of the nose. Adjust the shape properly and change the fill color to black. Now to create the mouth, use the pen tool and create one side of it. Remove the fill and apply a stroke. Once that is okay, click Alt and drag. Right click, transform and reflect to the right portion of the mouth. Now we can delete the sketch layer and have our logo. I'm going to adjust the headphones so that they fit in properly with the panda's face. Select the panda's face. On the object, you group it. Once it's grouped, you can now group in the portions of the F headphones as well and adjust. With the alignment tool, go to evenly distribute and distribute them horizontally equally. Then do the same with the head of the headset. Now our logo is almost ready. I'm going to add the company name. Click on the text tool and type in the company name. Here I'm going to type in Panda Sound. I'm going to adjust the text by increasing the Panda lettering and reducing the sound. The font I'm using is Architect's Draft. I'm going to keep adjusting the text till I'm satisfied with it. The font I'm using is the Architectural Draft. Then we can go to the next step, coloring. To come up with color ideas, I usually go to Adobe Colors. Here you can see a range of colors, and there is a search bar where you can type in keywords related to your logo. I'm going to type in music. Adobe Colors has a wide range of color palettes to choose from. After going through the Adobe color, I've decided to go with a red and blue combination in a gradient format. I think I like the both colors because they represent energy and usefulness. And as such, I'm going to apply the gradient to the logo. Clicking on the headphones, I'm going to go to the toolbar and click on the gradient tool. And I'm going to adjust the gradients, applying the red and blue colors effectively until I'm satisfied with the gradients. Align the logo with the text for proper fitting. Step. Prepare and deliver the final logo files. It is advised to save in such as AL, EPS, or PDF in case the client uses other programs. You can also save as a PNG with a transparent background. As a bonus, I do provide mockups for my clients. Here are some of the mockups for this project. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Comment which of the option you thought would have been best for this logo. 1, 2, or 3. See you on the next one.